In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Lovable AI subscription. So what you need to do is first head over to lovable.dev and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, go to your account in the top right hand corner. Then you can see here I've got the pro version of Lovable. You can then go to settings if you want to cancel this. Then go to plans and billing. It will then show you here what current plan you're on. And if you want to downgrade back to the free version, just click on downgrade and then continue downgrading. Give them a reason. I'll put too expensive, continue, and then you can confirm the downgrade. And now you will go from the premium plan to the free plan and you will no longer be billed. So go ahead and then click on cancel subscription once it opens the Stripe window, and then agree and cancel again. Once you've done that, the subscription will be cancelled on Stripe and it will then update in Lovable AI. You can see here your subscription will be cancelled and then it will say the date. So that's all you've got to do. I hope that video did help you out.